Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm gonna be showing you how I clean up and organize the fridge when I do grocery shopping. So right now I'm just trying to show you what it looks like before, and as you can see it is all over the place because I have two toddlers and they're putting things everywhere, they spilling things. So usually when I go grocery shopping, before I put anything in the fridge, I would do this routine that I'm showing you guys. Sometimes I do it at the top of the fridge only. I don't do the freezer at the bottom, but for the sake of the video, I will be showing you how I wipe down the freezer when I feel like it needs to. So this is what the fridge looks like right now. It is a huge fridge, even though it looks like it don't have nothing in it, but it have a lot of things in it. So if you need any information about the fridge, just leave it in the comment and I'll let you guys know. So right here I'm just trying to take all the things out. That's what I'm gonna be doing first. Um, Try to take the things out so I can wipe down everything. Usually if I would clean the fridge the whole like for the every month, like if I do it monthly or every 2 months, I would take all the drawers out, wash them. But since we're not doing deep cleaning, we're just gonna be wiping things down, just leaving. So right here, I'm just showing you that I just put some warm water and then some dish soap, and then put some Clorox in there, and then with a dishcloth, like microfiber cloth, whatever cloth you like, just put it in there, wet it, and then wipe down. And then what I'll do, I'll rinse the cloth and then go back and wipe down. So as you can see here, I have a lot of dirt, but things that we just leave on the fridge basically. When we done buying things, or like when we put things back, this is what it looks like. So this is what I'm doing here. I'm just trying to wipe them down. But monthly, when I do clean the fridge, I would take the things out and wash them in the sink. But this is not what we're doing today. This is like the weekly or 2 weeks routine that I do every time I grocery shop. And then I would go through things and see if there's anything expired, or if the kids put empty things back in the fridge that's already done, and just do that. So I'll just leave you guys to watch this. If you have any questions, just leave it down below. I'll answer it, and just enjoy the rest of the video. Bye. Thank you.